Sunday, November 30th, the Ermine. After the Great War, the armies of the Dark collapsed, and the fallen lords were swallowed up by history. We believed we had entered a golden age, a new era of peace, and our armies laid down their weapons to begin the long task of rebuilding the world. For 60 years we worked our fields and tended our cattle, and did all the things that we had fought to defend, until the war became something that fathers told their sons and grandfathers their grandchildren. But 60 years is nothing to the likes of a fallen lord, and while King Ulrich was restoring the province to its former glory, Soulblighter was plotting its infinite ruin. The king has decided to fight fire with fire. He seeks Myrddred, an avatar of the Wolf Age, whom Balor renamed the Deceiver after bending him to his will. Although the Deceiver fought alongside Balor during the last war, he held no great love for the rest of the Fallen, nearly being killed by the Watcher in a legendary battle at Seven Gates. King Ulrich believes the Deceiver still lives, and is counting on this old rivalry to lure him into joining our efforts to destroy Soulblighter and the Mirkridia. The king has sent word to 12-Motion Jewel Skull, a journeyman who served under him during his campaigns east of the Cloud Spine, in hopes that he has some knowledge of what became of the Deceiver after Balor's destruction. A select group of men from the Legion, myself included, has been sent to rendezvous with 12-Motion at the Stair of Grief. We have decided to go through the Ermine, the homeland of our fur-bald allies. Though the forest seems to be a continuous thicket, we have made good time. Night has fallen, and we have pitched our camp. Time to pick the brambles out of my bootlaces, and then to sleep. At dawn, we begin our march anew.
The Deceiver killed at the end of the Great War? Aye, but he's a fallen lord after all. Hey, what's going on over there?
Yes.
Shell, we'll do it.
Casualty.
Wasn't the Deceiver killed at the end of the Great War? What's going on over there? Let's go.
What?
Yes.
Move here, move there.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. Make up your mind.
I'm moving. Yes. Ready. Let's... Yeah. I'm moving. We'll do it. Yeah. Shell. God damn your eyes. Let's go. I'm moving. I'm moving. Over here. Got it. Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving. Over here. I'm moving.
Yes. Make up your mind. Yes, sir. Move here, move there. Yes, sir. Okay.
We'll do it.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Move here, move there. Move here, move. Look out! Yeah! Okay. Make up your gas.
Yes. I'm moving.
Yes.
Chill. Let's go. I'm moving. Let's go.
Move here, move there. Make up your mind. Yes.
I'm moving. I'm moving.
Stand clear. Move over.
Yes.
Casualty. Casualty. Casualty.
Move here.
Got it. Move over.
Yeah. Yeah.
Step aside.
Casualty.
Hooray! Yay!
Yes?
Hooray!
Sweet.
Yay!
Yes, sir?
Hooray!